Hi there, data enthusiast. In this video, we're going to explore an essential topic for every machine learning beginner: regression techniques. Whether you're predicting house prices or stock trends, regression techniques are the most known tool for solving continuous prediction problem. So, let's start with the basics. What exactly is regression techniques in machine learning? Regression technique is used to predict continuous outputs based on its features. For example, if we want to predict the price of a house based on features like its size, number of bedrooms, and location, we would use regression. In simple terms, regression helps us to find relationship between variables and make predictions. Let's start with the most common techniques. Linear regression. Linear regression models the relationship between two variables by fitting a straight line through data points. The formula looks like this: y equals to mx plus b. Here, y is the target variable, x is the future, m is the slope, and b is the intercept. Linear regression is perfect for situations where we believe there's a linear relationship between inputs and outputs. For example, predicting someone's salary based on years of experience. Next up, polynomial regression. Unlike linear regression, which fits in a straight line, polynomial regression fits a curved line. This is usual when your data doesn't follow a straight line relationship, but instead, it has curves. For example, if you're predicting something that grows rapidly for certain points, like population growth or spread of a virus, polynomial regression might be a better fit. Now, let's talk about Tree Regression and Lasso Regression. These techniques are especially useful when you have a lot of features and you want to avoid overfitting. Tree Regression personalizes large coefficients to make the model simpler and more generalizable. Lasso Regression goes one step further by shrinking some coefficient to zero, essentially removing unnecessary features. Both are great when dealing with complex datasets. Another powerful technique is decision tree regression. Unlike linear or polynomial regression, decision regression split the data into regions and make prediction based on these splits. For example, if you're trying to predict the price of a house, a decision tree might split the data based on different thresholds, like square footage or number of bedrooms, and make a separate prediction for each segment. Building on decision trees, we have random forest regression. This technique uses multiple decision trees and average their predictions to improve accuracy and reduce overfitting. It is like having multiple experts give advice instead of relying on just one. This leads to a more robust and reliable prediction. Finally, we have Support Vector Regression, also known as SVR. SVR works by fitting hyperlane that best capture the range of your data. Similar to how support vector machine works in classification. This technique is particularly useful when you want to control how much error you're willing to tolerate in your prediction. So, how do you choose the right regression techniques? Well, it depends on the nature of your data and the problem you're trying to solve. If you're predicting something with linear relationship, start with linear regression. If you have a complex dataset with lots of features, Tree or Lasso regression might be better. And if you want flexibility, decision tree or random forest could be the way to go. And that's it for today's video. I hope you now have a solid understanding of the most common regression techniques in machine learning. Whether you're predicting house prices, sales, or anything else with continuous data, there's a regression techniques out there for you. If you enjoyed this video and you want to keep learning, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. And as always, If you have any question or suggestion, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.